Viewers, good morning. Welcome to my channel. This morning I'm going to be showing you how to make a decorative sleeve, or let's say a decorative crinoline structured sleeve. Yes, that's what I'm going to be showing you on the channel this morning. So now let's jump right into the tutorial. Let me say hello to our viewers.
Hello viewers.
Okay, to know the measurements we are going to use for our structured sleeve, we need to take the surface area where this cape is going to be attached. So now turn your back. We are going to attach our cape somewhere around this place on the garment. So we'll start taking the measurements there to where we want it to be attached at the front, and that depends on how large or long you want your cape to be. So we are going to attach it somewhere here. This measures 27 inches. Therefore, our cape length or our structured sleeve length is going to be 27. So let's go right into the cutting. I already cut the strip of fabric we are going to use to encase this crinoline. How to get the width of your fabric? You have to measure the crinoline, 3 inches crinoline. Now that our crinoline is 3 inches, we are going to cut our fabric to be 3.5. It should be ½ inch wider than your crinoline. The ½ inch serves as the stitching allowance. Then for the length of our surface, the surface area we took, it was 27 inches. We measured 28 here. You are going to add 1 inch. You are going to add 1 inch to the surface area you measured. In this case, we have 27 plus 1, we have 28. The extra 1 inch serves as stitching allowance here and at the other end of the crinoline. So when we put it, we have something like this. The next stage now for us is to stitch our crinoline, double our crinoline. It is folded into 2. You can fold it into 4 or 5 or 3 depending on how thick or how structured you want your decorative sleeve to be. Now I want it to be flexible, but not too flexible, so I folded it into 2 equal halves. Then you can either conceal this edge with a piece of fabric or with a masking tape, just as I've done, so that it won't be separating or be removing. So now, as you can see, I've stitched it. After stitching it, I turned it this way. I place it, I centralize the seam. I try to centralize it. This is it here. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You are just going to place it like this. Then make sure the seam is at the center. Then iron it open. I've done that here. After ironing it open, then you are going to sew ½ inch by your seam allowance here and turn it out so that you'll be able to insert your crinoline. So I'm going to do this and show you the next step. I haven't sewn it and turned it inside out, and I haven't ironed my crinoline also. I'm going to show you how to insert it. You are going to simply bend your crinoline into equal halves this way and insert through this end rather. Just keep inserting it. It's as simple as that. Very easy to do. If your seam is bending after inserting it, just straighten here. All you have to do now is to fold in by your seam allowance here and stitch it. If you don't want to stitch it, fold it in by your seam allowance and insert a hemming gum. Put hemming gum there, then apply heat on it. It will stick. That is if you don't want seam to be on your sleeve. As for me, I don't want seam to be showing on my home, so I'm going to put hemming gum on it, and apply heat on it. Just put your hemming gum this way, fold it multiple times, apply it this way. Put it such that little will be showing out. If it's not poking out this way, it will not glue together. So that's how you're just going to do it. Fold it multiple times and place it inside it. Then put hot. I already attached my sleeve to the garment. To attach your sleeve to the garment, all you have to do is get the biggest size needle, double your thread and pass it through it to stitch it to wherever you want it to be on your garment, as I've done here. I think you can see it is hand stitch to it. Then make sure you double your thread so that the thread will be thick enough to stitch the sleeve to the garment. Okay, then wherever you stitch, make sure you cover it with decoration so that the stitches will not be showing outside. This is how I stitched mine here. I think you can see I didn't conceal here because it's just inside. Thank you very much for stopping by on my channel. Please like my video, share and subscribe to my channel.